Imagine controlling a robot without touching a remote, joystick, or even your phone, just using your voice. Meet the MBot2, a smart robot that listens and responds instantly. Watch this. Forward. The robot drives straight ahead with precision. Backward. And just like that, it reverses smoothly. Now let's try right. The MBot2 turns sharply to the right and the left. It glides perfectly to the other side. This isn't just fun, it's real STEM learning in action, combining robotics, coding, and
Forward.
to create a voice control system that feels futuristic. With a few words, you can command movements, program routines, or even expand to advanced tasks like obstacle avoidance and dancing. The possibilities are endless.
Backward.
Voice robotics. If you want to see more cool projects like this and learn how to build your own, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the journey into smart
Right.
robotics.
Left.